This is Lance at the MY4SONS warehouse, and for the next few minutes we're going to explain how to use and connect the nozzle quick release system. The nozzle quick release system includes one of these brass female connectors with a female M14 by 1.5 thread, and then you can buy any number of these males, and the male threads screw into any of the nozzles that come in the nozzle kit. So we're just showing one that's by itself, but we've gone ahead and just screwed them all in to a lot of the nozzles that you get. So very simply, you just screw the female onto the end of the wand, and you could do a similar thing with the pistol, but you need an adapter, the black adapter. If you want to use the nozzle quick release system with pistols, you need a black adapter on the end of the M18 threads to reduce it down to the M14. So we just go ahead and do that. We've got both of the Pro pistols here, reducing the threads. Then you'll take the quick release and screw that on the end of that. And it behaves the same way. We've already shown how to just change these out fairly quickly. Okay, included with either of the multi-nozzles is an M18 thread by 1/4 inch NPT quick release. And you'll notice that if everything works right, it slips on there and gives you a nice seal. The reason we ship standard in M18 is because the intention is to use these. They're a little bit heavier than what you'd want normally on the end of a wand, so this M18 fits the adapter that goes to the Pro pistol. Then of course, when you're ready to use it, you just snap that on. The same is true, and I probably should have had one of these extras, for the quick release, for the pressure washer handle, which comes standard with M18 threads. Of course, then that just snaps on there, and the weight is just fine with a pistol. Okay, we don't recommend this, but if you really want to have a 5 multi-head nozzle on the end of your wand, we think it's a little bit heavy, but go ahead and do it if you want. You're going to get the M14 by 1.5. The M14 fits on the end of the wand. So, and then this comes with a 17mm Viton O-ring that seals that. That's why you don't need an O-ring inside. And that thread's on there. Get that good and tight so you have a nice seal. And of course it just pops on, and you can use that with your wand.